Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the condenser fan motor in a KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need the 4-inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a 5/16 socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new condenser fan motor. This condenser fan motor is located at the rear of the refrigerator, behind the cover panel inside the machine compartment. It cools the compressor and the condenser coils. If the temperature in all of the compartments of your refrigerator is way too high, check the condenser fan motor and replace it if needed. So we are at the back of the fridge, and to take out the access panel, we need to remove these all 1/4-inch screws using a 1/4-inch nut driver. We're going to start doing that. And now we're going to pull it out. So this is the condenser fan motor that we are replacing. And we are going to remove a couple of 5/16 screws that hold the motor to the bracket. For that purpose, I'm using this socket wrench with 5/16 inch head. I'm going to place it on that 4 screw, and I'm going to remove it. And the other one. Next, I'm going to pull this out. Turn it so we can see this locking tab here on the motor. I'm going to remove this plug by pressing it in. So next we're going to remove this fan blade from the motor. I'm using a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to push it off. We're going to save it. This is the old condenser fan motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to bring in the motor, and first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it in. Make sure it's plugged and it's locked. And we're going to install the motor onto the bracket. I'm going to match the holes and put this screw in at 5/16, and I'm going to use this 5/16 socket wrench. I'm going to tighten it. And the fan blade comes in, and if you notice it, I cleaned it. So please do the same. And I'm going to insert that blade onto the shaft. And now I'm going to install the access panel. I'm going to slide the bottom into the base here and match the holes. I'm using this 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to secure the panel. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.